Let's proceed to the arithmetic sequence. A sequence where each term after the first is obtained by adding a non-zero constant called the common difference. So we have the formula here for the arithmetic sequence or the in term of the arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus the product of n minus 1 and d. Common difference. The common difference d can be determined by subtracting any term in the sequence by the term that precedes it. So the formula for the common difference is d is equals to a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. Okay, so for example 1, determine whether each of the following sequences is arithmetic or not arithmetic. So given this example, i-determine daw natin kung itong given sa example natin na 1, 2, 4 kay it's arithmetic or not arithmetic. So the first set of, okay, so we have an example here. The first one is the set of numbers that is 15, 12, 9, 6, and 3. So, paano natin ma-determine kung ano ba siya arithmetic or not arithmetic? So, dapat makita natin na meron siyang sequence. So, number 1 is, what is number 1? So, number 1 is an arithmetic sequence. Why? Bakit siya arithmetic sequence? So, arithmetic sequence siya kasi meron siyang common difference na negative 3. So, paano ba yun siya? So, gagamitin natin yung definition ng common difference kasi pag sinabi mong arithmetic sequence, kailangan meron siyang common difference. So, mapapansin natin that the precedes at 15, the precedes number is 12. 12 minus 15 is equals to negative 3. And 9 minus 12 is also equals to negative 3. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. And also, 3 minus 6 is equals to negative 3. So, ito ay isang arithmetic sequence. For number 2, so given natin we have 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. So, is number 2 an arithmetic or not arithmetic? Okay, so number 2 is what? Is not an arithmetic. Bakit siya hindi arithmetic? So, kung papansinin natin yung sa mga sequence dito, yung sequence dito na 1, 3, 6, 10, at saka sa 15, wala siyang common difference. Right? Why? Because dito, kung 3 minus 1, kung sa 3, so 3 minus natin sa 1, ang result kay 2. Then dito naman, kung 6 minus natin sa 3, ang result niya is what? It's 3. Then dito, 10 minus 6, ang result is 4. Then sa 15 minus 10, the result is 5. Yes, meron siyang sequence, pero hindi siya arithmetic. Kasi pag sinabi natin sequence, pwede siyang, meron siyang sequence na nakikita natin dun sa set of numbers. Pero wala siyang common difference kasi magkakaiba sila ng common difference, unlike sa number 1. Okay, so it violates the definition of an arithmetic sequence. Number 3, we have 10, 30, 90, 270, and 810. So, is number 3 an arithmetic sequence? Okay, tingnan natin dito. Ano kaya? Oh, okay. So, it's not an arithmetic sequence. Bakit hindi siya arithmetic sequence? It's not an arithmetic sequence kasi mapapansin din natin dito na yung ano niya, the common difference is medyo dito. The common difference for 30 minus 10 is we have 20. Then, 90 minus 30 is equals to 60. Then, kahit dito lang sa first dito na number, sa 30 minus 10 at saka sa 90 minus 30, kaya magkaiba na siya. So, hindi talaga siya arithmetic sequence kasi wala nga silang common difference. Even though ito, kay sequence siya, pero hindi siya arithmetic. Okay, the last one is we have the 15, 11, 7, 3, and negative 1. So, mapapansin natin dito sa number 4 that it is what? It is a arithmetic with a common difference of b is equals to negative 4. Why? Kasi sa 11 minus 15, the result is negative 4. Then sa 7 minus 11, the result is also negative 4. Then 3 minus 7, the result is also negative 4. And negative 1 minus negative 3, the result is also negative 4. So dito sa number 4, mapapansin natin na the common difference, meron silang common difference. That is the negative 4. Kaya siya arithmetic sequence. Okay, so let's proceed to the next example. So the next example is what is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, and so on. So hanapin daw natin dito kung ano ba yung common difference given itong arithmetic sequence. Okay, so to find this, gagamitin natin yung formula dito sa common difference. So we have D is equals to A sub n. So, kumplehin muna natin yung formula. Okay, what is our A sub n here? So, pwede natin gamitin kahit saan gamitin natin dyan number. For example, 9 minus 5 or 13 minus 1. As long as you subtract the precinct number to the current term. So, first is, this is our A sub, okay, let's do here, A sub 2 minus A sub 1. What is our A sub 1 here? Our A sub 1 is we have 5, right? Then, our A sub 2 is 9. This is our A sub 3. This is our A sub 4. And this is also our A sub 5 and so on. Okay, so our A sub 2 is equals to 9. Substitute lang natin. We have 9 minus 5. D is equals to 1. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. So the common difference is 4. So pwede rin na-try din natin siya sa the other terms. So dito sa isa kay D is equals to A sub 3 minus A sub 2. Or A sub 3 is 13. So, substitute lang natin. Then minus A sub 2. A sub 3 is equals to 13 minus 9 also equals to 4. Then also some of the followed terms we have here. Sa A sub 4 at saka sa A sub 3. Papapansin din natin that when you subtract 17 and 13, your result is also 4. So, sunod-sunod na siya. Pwede na siyang i-minus dun sa precinct na number dun sa current term. I-minus mo lang, so makukuha mo lang yung common difference na. Okay, for the example number 3, find the 19th term of the sequence 3, 10, 17, 24, 31 until A sub 19. So, hanapin lang natin dyan yung 19th term. So, paano natin mahanap yung 19th term? Given ito yung sequence. So, paano ba yung mahanap? Okay, so first, so ano natin mamahanap yung dyan? So, kailangan natin gumagamitin yung formula natin dito. So, kailangan muna natin hanapin kung ano yung common difference niya. Before we use this formula, kukunin muna natin yung common difference. Okay, so we have the formula for the common difference. D is equals to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1. So we have, gamitin natin yung 10 sa second term minus D, first term. So A sub 2 or A sub 2 is equals to 10, the second term, minus our A sub 1, which is the first term. D is equals to what? It is equals to 7. Since nakuha na natin yung common difference, let me use this formula para makuha natin yung A sub 19 or the 98th term. So we have A sub 19, kasi yan yung hinahanap natin, di ba? The 19th term of the sequence. Equals to, alam naman natin yung given, which is the A sub 1. A sub 1 is given, right? That is the 3. Kaya nahanap din naman natin yung difference. D is equals to 7. So, gagamitin natin ito para mahanap natin yung 90th term. Okay. So, we have A sub 1 at A sub 1. We have 3. Okay. How many terms do we have here? So, our term is 19. Kasi 19 na nakalagay. Okay? So, we have 19 minus 1, kasi it is a constant, yung 1 is a constant. Then, times the common difference 7. We have 3 plus 19 minus 1. What is 19 minus 1? 19 minus 1 is equals to 18, then times 7. By the way, okay, so we have here 3 plus what is 18 times 7? So we have 18 times 7. What is 7 times 8? 7 times 8 is equals to 56. Then 7 times 1 is equals to 7 plus 5, 126. It is 126. So you just add a sub 19 is equals to 126 plus 3 is 129. So the 98th term of the given sequence is a sub 19, which is equal to 129. Okay, for the example number 4, find the formula for the term of an arithmetic sequence with common difference of 3 in whose first term is 12. So we're going here to find the formula. Hanapin natin yung formula. Mapo-form natin given yung common difference natin na 3 at saka yung first term natin na 12. So gagamitin lang natin ito since given naman, di ba? So we have okay, so our given common difference daw, D is equals to 3, and the first term is equals to 12. We're going to find the formula. So, use this formula. We have A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. So, A sub 1 is equals to 12 plus, okay, how many, ano yung ano natin dito, n? So, hindi naman, diba kasi hindi naman magmamatter. Even naman hindi natin alam kung gaano ba siya karaming term as long as makuha natin yung, in terms, ay yung formula natin. So, we have n minus 1, the common difference is 3. So, we have 12, distribute, we apply the distributive property. 3 times n is equals to 3n. 3 times negative 1 is equals to negative 3. So we have a sub n is equals to 12, 3n. 12 minus 3 is equals to 9, right? Because 12 minus 3, yes, it's 9. So the formula here is a sub n is equals to 3n plus 9.